Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to show you enable USB debugging on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily, turn them on. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open settings. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. This time you can try to find the developer option. If you found it, simply tap on their name to open it. However, if you don't find it, don't worry. You can first of all enable it. To do that, go to about phone, then scroll down, open software information. Here you can find the build number option. Simply tap on it repeatedly, such as 7 or 8 times, then verify to enter your phone screen password, and automatically developer mode has been turned on. After you see pop-up message, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. This time you can find the developer option appear. Simply tap on it to open them. After the page is open, scroll down slowly. You can try to find the USB debugging option. If you found it, simply turn them on. However, if it not turn it on, this means your auto blocker settings is enabled. So turn them off your phone first, then enable USB debugging. To do that, go back to the main settings page, scroll down slowly, open security and privacy. After that, scroll down again, you can see auto blocker. If it turn on, simply turn them off. So tap on the toggle switch, then verify to enter your phone screen password or fingerprint lock. After it turn off, go back main settings again, scroll down to the bottom, open developer option. Here scroll down again, you can find the USB debugging option. If it turn off, simply tap on the toggle switch to enable it, and this time it worked. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel to support them. Thanks for watching.